We're taking a look at this high-tech hot or cold food container from Energifi. First off, starting with the container itself, it's 17 ounces. It's got a rubber bottom. They come in a bunch of colors. We went with this cool vivid orange. It's got a wide mouth. It's all nice stainless steel. The gaskets are BPA free. Now when you put that on to either hot or cold food and you're worried about getting a vacuum in there and having the hand strength to get the lid off, they have you covered because there's a button here. When you push that button, it releases the pressure. Now you can pull that off with no problem. You may have noticed I pulled off the foldable spoon that comes right in the lid there. This is a super clever idea to have if you're making soup or something cold. The lid to the container is the bowl, and it's got this really nice silicone strap. It also comes in a cloth bag, which is real heavy duty. I really like this bag for either storage or even taking it with you on the trail. Now this is going to be good for camping. It's pretty lightweight, hiking, taking it tailgating, or just taking it to work for lunch. I also really enjoy that aside from the product itself and the manual, they package it in just a simple cardboard box, so not a lot of excess packaging. I really enjoy this. I want to thank Energifi for sending this out to check it out. Hope this helps answer some questions about it. There you go.